If the YouTube app isn't working on your iPhone, here's a simple way to fix it. First, close the YouTube app completely. Swipe up and remove it from recent apps. Now open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll to the bottom, tap Apps, then scroll again until you find YouTube. Here, check your permissions. Make sure options like cellular data and background app refresh are turned on. If any of these are off, the app might not work properly. If it still doesn't work, open Safari and search "Is YouTube down?" Tap on Down Detector and see if there's a big spike in reports. If a lot of people are reporting issues, then it's a YouTube server problem, not your iPhone. If everything looks normal, go back to Settings. Tap General, then iPhone Storage. Find the YouTube app. You'll probably see it taking up a lot of space. Tap Offload app and then reinstall it. This does two things. It forces the app to update to the latest version, and it clears temporary files and cache that may be causing the problem. That's it. Your YouTube app should start working again. If this helps, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick fixes.